I invested $1,000 in 11 stocks 2 months ago. You want to see how I'm doing? Keep watching. Hi everyone, this is the Focus Spinner and welcome to my channel. On my channel, I teach you how to get out of debt, save more money, and invest so that you can build generational wealth and leave a lasting legacy. So 2 months ago, I decided I wanted to open up a new portfolio with M1 Finance and invest 11 stocks. And these stocks I started thinking about because of Corona and everything that was going on at the time. I did some research and I said, these are my 11 stocks. If you want to see how I picked those stocks, please click on the video link in the description box below and you can watch the full video where I really go into detail on how I picked all of my stocks. But for now, I just want to give you a quick update. So let's go ahead and jump into my account and see how I'm doing. Okay, so as you can see, my account is valued at $1,236.88. It has a gain of $62.25, and that return equals to 5.73%. Over the last 2 months, every Monday I would add $25 to my account. So over that time, I've invested an additional $175. So my total investment is $1,175. I want to point out a couple of things. Even though my return is 5.73% as of right now, and it seems like I've only made $62, just a couple of days ago, my account was at $1,289. And so my percent return was actually 9%, but the market has been going crazy right now with everything that's going on with GameStop, and it's just basically taking over control of what's happening. And I think that's really what's affecting my returns and the companies that are doing well. So if you want to see the companies that are doing the best, you can see my top 3 performing companies are the Container Store, PetMeds, and Chewy. And these 3 companies were companies that I really was on the fence about in terms of investing because I thought, they're kind of volatile, they don't have the best metrics, but I really wanted to do something that was gonna maybe boost up my account a little bit or had really high potential for growth. So I picked these 3 stocks. The percentages are high, obviously, but the dollar amounts aren't that high. Tesla honestly was doing way better than this just a couple of days ago. It was just skyrocketing, but Tesla has definitely gone through a little bit of a rocky period in the past week or so. And if you look at the companies that are doing the worst, quote unquote, the worst, Facebook, IBM, and Walmart. But honestly, these 3 were doing really, really well just a couple of days ago. So just a couple of days ago, I think I've only had two or 3 stocks that were in the red and everything else was positive, as opposed to having 4 stocks in the red. But overall, I'm actually very satisfied. It's funny because I invest on Monday mornings. It comes out automatically out of my account. So it's actually a good thing that they're down right now. My hope is that on Monday, the stock prices are still down and then I can buy in at lower prices. And during the week, the price goes up, because at the end of the day, you want to buy low and you want to sell high. I've seen so many people ask the same question.
My stock is going down. Should I sell?
Why? Why would you sell when the prices are going down? You only want to sell when the prices are going up. And even then, you kind of want to let it ride out. You want to see what it can do. Unless you need it for a reason, you should just hold on for the next 5-10 years and see what happens. And maybe you can get dividends and you really can grow your account. But if you buy a stock and the stock price goes down, as long as the company is not about to go out of business, you don't want to go ahead and sell. You want to go ahead and buy some more so that you can really boost up your portfolio. If you want to try M1 Finance, be sure to click on the link below. I really like M1 Finance because you can build a well-diversified portfolio that's going to protect you when certain industries are doing poorly. You're going to have stocks in industries that are doing well. So really consider trying out M1 Finance as opposed to just buying one individual stock here or there. Create that portfolio for yourself. And again, if you check out the videos below, you'll see more information on how you can start M1 Finance in terms of starting and signing up for the account and also setting up the account so that you can create your portfolio. I hope you like this video. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.